Good morning, everyone. I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Google unveils AI models Veo and Imagen 3 at Google I/O 2024, Samsung's foldable smartphone plans, Sony Xperia 1 6 official. First look at Google Pixel 8a, Apple and Google's unwanted location trackers specification, Apple's Vision Pro headset, international debut, Google Chrome security update, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech. Google introduced new AI models, Veo and Imagen 3, at the Google I/O 2024 event. These models aim to revolutionize media creation by generating high-quality videos and images from text inputs. Veo, the latest video generation model, can produce HD 1080 pixels video lasting over a minute. Veo understands detailed natural language commands, enabling it to execute complex instructions like creating time-lapse or aerial shots of a landscape. Samsung may not launch the cheaper variant of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 due to lack of differentiation factors and business uncertainties. Cheaper variant reportedly leaked the digitizer crucial for S-Pen functionality. Recent testing revealed IPX-B rating and 2 lakh folds rating, but device not thinner than competitors. Potential launch limited to standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. Sony unveils the Xperia 1 6, refining the Xperia 1 5 formula. Notable changes include a shift from a 4K OLED to a 1080 into 2340 pixel panel in a 19.5 aspect ratio 9. Display brightness increased to 1300 nits with LTPO panel offering variable adjustment between 1 Hz and 120 Hz. Battery capacity of 5000 mAh promises 2 days of use with 50% recharge in 30 minutes and retention of 80% capacity after 4 years. Google showcases the Pixel 8a, a premium mid-range smartphone with AI features and impressive design. Draws comparisons to the 4th generation iPod Nano for its value proposition and premium feel. Offers top-notch features while being the best value Pixel device available. Previewed at Google's annual developer conference I/O in Mountain View, California. Apple and Google launched detecting unwanted location trackers specifications to detect unwanted tracking devices. iPhones with iOS 17.5 and Android devices running on Android 6.0 or newer to implement the specification. Users notified if unknown location tracking device is detected with options to locate, disable, and receive instructions. Apple gearing up for international debut of Vision Pro headset, anticipated to launch outside the United States post Worldwide Developers Conference. Training sessions conducted for Apple staff from various international stores. Launch locations remain undisclosed, with previous speculations hinting at prioritizing the UK and Canada. Google releases emergency security updates for Chrome browser to address high security zero-day vulnerability. Fix comes shortly after addressing another zero-day vulnerability in Chrome. Vulnerability tagged as CV 2024-4761 impacts Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine updates rolling out to users to mitigate potential exploitation. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. Google releases emergency security updates for Chrome browser to address high security zero-day.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं हूं विघ्नेश, आपका डिजिटल साथी। आज एबीसी ऑफ बिल्डिंग ऑनलाइन बिजनेस सीरीज में हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे कैसे कजाबी और किकस्टार्टर, ये दो टूल्स आपके क्रिएटिव आइडियाज और बिजनेस प्रोजेक्ट्स को शेप और प्रमोट करते हैं। कजाबी दोस्तों एक ऑल इन वन क्रिएटर प्लेटफॉर्म है जो कि आपको ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज, मेंबरशिप और कोचिंग प्रोग्राम क्रिएट और सेल करने में हेल्प करता है। इसमें आपको मिलते हैं टूल्स फॉर वेबसाइट बिल्डिंग, ईमेल मार्केटिंग एंड प्रोडक्ट क्रिएशन, मेकिंग योर ऑनलाइन बिजनेस जर्नी सीमलेस। और अब बात करते हैं किकस्टार्टर की। ये क्राउड फंडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां पे क्रिएटर्स अपने क्रिएटिव, टेक्नोलॉजिकल और इनोवेटिव प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए सपोर्ट गैदर कर सकते हैं। ये एक मजेदार तरीका है मार्केट डिमांड टेस्ट करने का और फंड्स गैदर करने का बिना ट्रेडिशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट के। तो दोस्तों, आज के एपिसोड में देखिए हमने कजाबी और किकस्टार्टर के कुछ खास फीचर्स। मैं हूं विघ्नेश, साइनिंग ऑफ। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में अल्फाबेट एल के साथ।